What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So today I want to run off a couple of things, and one of my intentions in all videos coming out is to get right to the point. You know what? I can show you, I can tell you, I can make your lives a heck of a lot easier in the first 30 seconds, and that's going to be what my goal is. And then if you want to go deeper, continue watching the video, but you might get all of the information right out of the gate. So today's going to mark a bit of a change. As videos come out through the rest of the season, you're going to see a very different style, and I hope that you really like it. But today is going to be something a little different. Today I'm identifying 3 groups of people, and part of my goals this year is to expand the audience, and I think that I might be getting closer on how that's going to happen. But you guys out there, I want you to watch, comment, enjoy this, because I think we're going to have some fun with it. Let's roll it.
Meet this guy. This guy actually loves working on his lawn. He loves it so much that he's out there digging in the snow to find out how much potential snow mold could be down there. Currently, he's regretting his choice not to put down fungicide last November. But there's something else about this guy. He's worked hard to design the yard of his dreams, and he's also a guy who's giving technology a chance to run his lawn for him. Is this guy unique? Maybe not inside of the group of people who watches his channel. But as a member of the general population, yes, he's a damn weirdo. I mean, look, if you sat there and built a place and it was so beautiful and so gorgeous, you'd probably be concerned about it too, especially when winter has been as heavy as this one has. So yeah, he's a little bit nervous that he's gonna have to be doing a whole lot of extra work to get this grass to grow back, to get it to its glory. Because look, there is a ton of snow. And honestly, this snow doesn't look like it's going to be releasing its icy grasp for a while. So what does that really mean? It's going to take a little bit of extra time, a little extra elbow grease, but you know what? He's up for it. Why? Because he loves it. He loves every part of it. He loves playing on it. He loves the gear that he has that goes with it. And he's not going to let a little thing like snow mold get him down. So that brings me to the point of this video. I believe that there are 3 types of people out there in the lawn universe. There are people who love to do yard work, there are people who have to do yard work, and there are people who need to do something. Or maybe they need to hire a service. Let's look at the big differences between these 3 groups of people, and maybe you can identify with one of them. As I said before, the love tos. These are the people who absolutely love every single thing about their outdoor space. They are researchers. They are people who get on their hands and knees to figure out problems. And they will make sure that the space looks absolutely stellar all the time. They love it, and they love how they feel when they're done, and they are very good at it. The next group of people are the have-tos. These people don't love it. For them, they have better things to do, but they know they have to get it done. For them, a lawn and a yard is something that is a space between them and having fun, or maybe between them and doing things that are more important. And so they will do it reluctantly, but it's only because they have to. There's very little joy in the work for this group of people. Which then leads me to the need tos. The need tos are the people who always say, oh yeah, I need to do that, and they never do. They are the people who are absolutely too busy to be concerned with the trivial pursuit of making the lawn and landscape beautiful. These are the people who really need to hire a service. They trend that way. They are too busy, and they don't want to bother with that task. So here's how I think those groups are split up. I believe it's less than 5% actually enjoy doing yard work, and honestly, it's probably closer to about 1%. But for the sake of going higher, we'll call it 5. I believe that the have-tos make up a good majority. I'm going to say as much as 75% of the population falls into this category. And then finally, the need-tos. This is your remaining 20%, and they're the people who are most likely hiring a service. And if they haven't hired a service, they probably will. Now, I don't believe the have-tos will ever turn into love-tos. I think that they are going to just be that way. But I think they could gravitate towards the need-to and be people who end up hiring a lawn care service instead. And that would actually probably give more joy and less worry. So who are you in all of this? Do you love it? Do you do it because you have to? Or is it a need somebody else can fill? One of my goals this year is to reach more people. There's a large segment of people out there with much bigger things on their plate, and they could use tips on getting these things done in a better fashion. So as we go through the year, you're going to see me making some changes. Some of my messaging that's going to come across is going to be a little bit different. My goal is to make this as simple as possible for everybody. Along the way, I'm going to be introducing some additional technology into my own lawn space as I search for that goal of fully automatic lawn care. For all of you diehards out there, don't you worry. You'll continue to see the stellar results I get out of my own products, and of course, that very special mower. Hudson Star is going to be hard at work, and there is some fun stuff happening with that company, so pay attention in the coming weeks. If you don't know about the Hudson Star, check out this video right here.